One of my favorite breakfasts while growing up was pap and akara, and of course, moimon and akara. But as I grew older, I knew that, oh my gosh, deep frying is not mine. I don't like deep frying anymore, in fact, because of health reasons and the amount of diseases that is around now. You have to be very, very health conscious. So I decided to try as much as I can to still have my akara for my family and I, and make sure it's more healthy. Now this is the best. This is the star of the show. This ceramic non-stick pan, I got it from Amazon, was what helped me. Now I use only olive oil in my house, olive oil, avocado oil. So I just drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, and that is it. Now akara is very versatile, and a lot of us have different ways of which we do our akara. Now this is the way I do my own akara. I don't add so much. I just add tatashe, and I'm more about colors. I like colors in my food. You want to make sure that your stove is in low heat. Now once you see the bubbles start coming around the akara, you know that it is ready for you to flip, and make sure it's on very low heat, because you want your akara to be moist, to be ready, since you are not deep frying, and you want it to be slowly cooked, and make sure that it's done inside. Omo, this akara, see, if you try this recipe, and let me give you 100, going to ditch deep frying, because this was so amazing. Please don't forget to share this video to as many people who are also health conscious, and let's ditch all this. Trust me, your babies, your toddlers, your whole family is gonna enjoy this.